Anuj is joining in now for a quick trade setup. Anuj, good morning. Big day for the market. You have Infosys today, you have Reliance tomorrow. So a lot of heavyweights coming out with numbers.
Morning, Sonia, and of course you have the union budget in 3 days. Look, let's first address the near term, and I think the overnight big fall in the Nasdaq, that clearly was the Donald Trump impact because of the rhetoric again on Taiwan. And Nasdaq is dominated by chip stocks, which are dependent on Taiwan, which is not the case with our IT companies. So my sense is IT, which has been the leader of this market and the strongest index, if there's any fall, it would be used by investors to buy into. Because the commentary has been quite strong. After TCS, LTIM came with decent commentary. And today, of course, you have Infosys in numbers as well. The other key factor is that the market has again started to make, the Nifty that is, again started to make higher lows. Even on Tuesday, we started at 24,141, then 24,193, 24,331, 24,522, and Tuesday's low was again higher at 24,587. There's a weekly options expiry on the Nifty today, of course. 3 days left for union budget. Today, I think it's going to be a bit of a micro day because, market will react to a lot of numbers. For example, Asian Paints, which is weak. Expectations were also weak, and the stock has already underperformed. It's down 12% in 1 year. The FMCG index is down 14%. But I think today is the biggest day of the earnings calendar so far, because you have Infosys, which comes out with numbers. You have Persistent, which has been the strongest IT stock in the mid-cap IT pack. So that's something to keep an eye on. And from the consumption basket, you have two massively important numbers, Polycab and Havells. So let's see how they come out with the numbers. That will be interesting to watch. Quickly coming to levels now. On the Nifty, 24,587, which was Tuesday's low, and then 24,475 to 24,500 based on the options. That would be the support levels. And on the upside, 24,730 and 24,900 to 25,000 would be the big resistance levels. On the Bank Nifty, it's been an index which has really been, showing tiredness. It's not rallying, but it's not falling either. So it needs to either break 51,800 on the downside or 5,300 on the upside. Till then, you got to play this range, I guess. Quote of the day would come up for you. And this one on the day of Thursday, if we have the quote of the day comes, very interesting one. This is something which everyone should strive to be better than yesterday, but better even tomorrow. So that's your quote of the day.
All right. Anuj, thank you very much for that. Always interesting.